Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add your favorite Spotify tunes directly into your Canva presentations to really boost the mood or set the perfect tone, you're in the right place. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to upload Spotify songs into your Canva presentation easily and effectively. By the end of this video, you'll be able to put your own music spin on any project, whether it's for school, business, or just for fun. Alright, let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, it's quick and free to sign up. Once you're logged in, look for the big Create button, usually right at the top or to the left. Give that a click. This is your starting point for any new podcast, flyer, or in our case today, a presentation. Now go ahead and select the presentation option. You'll see lots of different formats and sizes, but for most uses, the standard presentation is just what you need. Once you're here, you'll notice Canva offers a ton of templates. Don't just pick any template at random. Take a moment to choose one that fits the style and vibe of your presentation. Remember, the design is the first thing people notice. So whether you want something professional or something more playful, make sure you're happy with your choice before moving on. With your template ready, let's make things interesting by adding music. On the left sidebar, click on Elements. Now here's a fun part. In the search bar at the top, type in Spotify songs. Canva actually offers Spotify integration, which makes this a breeze. You'll see a variety of tracks and Spotify widgets that pop up. Pick a track that fits your theme or something you personally enjoy. It really makes your project pop and helps hold your audience's attention. To add it, just drag and drop it right where you want it on your slide. If it's your first time, take a few moments to play around. You can resize or move the Spotify widget until it looks just right. Once your presentation looks exactly how you envisioned, click the Share button in the top right corner and then choose Download. For this tutorial, it's important to download it as an MP4 file. This is key because it ensures your music and animations are included together. Keep in mind, exporting to MP4, especially on presentations with audio, can take a minute or two, so just sit tight and don't worry if it seems like it's taking a moment. After your MP4 is finished downloading, we're almost there. Head back to your Canva project and add a new page. This will serve as a spot where you can upload the MP4 file you just downloaded. All you need to do is click Uploads, select your new video, and bring it onto the new page. Once it's uploaded, hit play to check everything works as expected. And that's it, you've just added a Spotify song into your Canva presentation, ready to impress your audience. If you hit any snags along the way, don't stress. Sometimes files can take a little while to upload or process, so just give it a moment. Before you go, if you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to hit that like button, drop a comment below with any questions you have, and subscribe for more hands-on Canva tips and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.